The Apple TV app came out a few days, this is in May 2019, a few days ago, and got automatically added to the Samsung TV. I had to add it into the home bar here, but you'll find it in the apps menu, and then you can add it into the home strip there. Just a quick look in the app here. So it surfaces programs from a number of services, so BBC, HBO and so on. Some of them require a subscription, some don't. And then you can buy things. So if we look at Game of Thrones, you can see that you can buy episodes of that. I assume the lower price is for standard def, and then it'll be increased for the HD version, and then you can buy the whole thing for quite a lot more money instead of renting it. Got different categories across the top and a search. And we've got a settings area where you can limit the purchases and rentals to standard def. So that would reduce costs. You can set up a restriction, so set a PIN code for adult content. I assume when Apple brings out their TV services next year, this is the app where you'll find those TV services.